In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your Steam library folder on your computer. This is useful if you want to locate where your games are installed, move games to another drive, manage storage, or manually access game files. Many Steam users don't realize that Steam actually shows you the exact location of every library folder directly inside the settings menu, and it only takes a few seconds to check. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can find your Steam library folder quickly and easily. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open the Steam application on your computer. You can do this from your desktop shortcut, your start menu, or by searching for Steam in your system search bar. Once Steam launches and you're on the main interface, look at the very top left corner of the window. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Click on that Steam button to open the main drop-down menu for the application. This menu contains several important settings and account options that allow you to control how Steam works on your computer. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will open the Steam settings window where you can control downloads, storage, interface options, and many other parts of the platform. On the left side of the settings window, you'll see a sidebar with several different sections. These include options like Account, Interface, Downloads, Cloud, and a few others depending on your Steam version. What we're looking for here is the section that shows where your games are stored on your system. In the sidebar, find and click on Storage. As soon as you click Storage, Steam will display a list of your current Steam library folders. These are the locations on your computer where your Steam games are installed. For many users, there will be one main library folder located on their primary drive, but if you've installed games on multiple drives, you might see several library folders listed here. Each entry will show the drive location along with information about how much space is being used by your installed games. You can also see which drive is set as the default install location. If you ever need to access the actual game files, move games to another drive, or manage storage space, this is the exact place where you can find that information. Simply note the folder path that Steam shows and you'll know exactly where your Steam library folder is located on your computer, and that's all there is to it. That's how you quickly find your Steam library folder using the built-in Steam settings. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Steam tutorials, software guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.